24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Creative writing. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Creative writing is an important skill. It helps to develop creative thinking and creativity in the students. Learning objectives. Students should be able to learn to describe different objects, develop observational skills, write 5 to 7 sentences about the given object. Introduction. Talk about different things. For example, writing board. This is a whiteboard. Its color is white. We can write on it. It is big in size. It is fixed in our class. Paste the picture of a butterfly on the board with some helping vocabulary. Butterfly, beautiful, colors, insect, wings. Now guide the students to write the following sentences about butterfly. It is a butterfly. It is so beautiful. It has so many colors. It is an insect. It has 2 wings. Read. Read the above sentences loudly with the whole class. Recognition. Hold the lunchbox in your hand, show it to the class and describe its features. It is a lunchbox. It is Hamad's lunchbox. It has 2 partitions. One is small. Its color is yellow and blue. It is made of plastic. Hamad loves it. Review. Ask the students to describe their own lunch boxes in front of the class. Writing. Ask the whole class to write the sentences about lunchbox in their copies. Tell them to draw the lunchbox and color it. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.